Introducing the PitBoss PB440D2 Wood Pellet Grill, where innovation meets flavor. Elevate your grilling experience with the ultimate outdoor cooking companion. Picture this: a warm summer day, the sizzle of juicy steaks, the aroma of perfectly smoked ribs filling the air. With the PitBoss PB440D2, every meal becomes a culinary masterpiece. What sets the PitBoss PB440D2 apart? It's all about precision and control. The advanced digital control board allows you to set the perfect temperature with the push of a button. Whether you're searing, smoking, roasting, or baking, this grill puts you in command. Boasting a spacious cooking surface, the PB440D2 is perfect for family gatherings, backyard parties, or a quiet evening under the stars. And with its versatile cooking options, you can go from low and slow to high and fast, all with the same consistent results. Cleanup is a breeze with the porcelain-coated grates. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious creations. Built to last, the PitBoss PB440D2 is constructed with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and reliability. It's not just a grill, it's a statement piece for your backyard. Join the PitBoss family and experience the joy of outdoor cooking like never before. Unleash your culinary creativity with the PitBoss PB440D2 Wood Pellet Grill, where passion meets precision. Don't settle for ordinary. Choose the extraordinary. PitBoss, taste the difference. Order yours on the Amazon link in the description.